Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have this really cute little note card which just says fluttering by to say hi, and I think it's really sweet and I love these little butterflies. So let me show you how I pop this card together. It's using one of my favourite new stamp sets, which is Hippo Happiness, and it's really cute. This is such a cute stamp set. Let me explain it to you. It's a two-step stamp set. So you would stamp one colour for the base and then another colour on top, which gives it the sort of two-tone effect. And then you have the little faces that you can add. So that's the one for the hippo. This is the one for the unicorn, and there's his little spike. You have this one here for the U and the little face. And then this one here for the butterfly, which is what I'm using at the moment. And you've got a little bow tie that you can add to them all. You can give them all a flower or a balloon. How cute is this? And there's your little bit for the end of the balloon so they can hold that. I just think it's such a cute set, and the sentiments are really adorable as well. So you've got hip hip hooray to go with the hippo. When in doubt, be a unicorn, which, you know, that's a cool saying. You are special for my you, fluttering by to say hi for my my butterflies, hippo birthday, thank you so much, and to you. And I've chose a fluttering by to say hi and teamed it up with the cute little butterflies and the flower. So I'm going to show you how I put this together. So I need both of the butterflies, 1, 2, and I've got the flower, and then I need his little smiley face because he's got a little smile. Well, actually it's a little smirk because it's, I don't know if you can see on there, it's like a side smile, so I think it's a smirk. Okay, I'm popping these onto my A blocks. Okay, and I've got So Saffron and Crushed Curry on my table. I'm also going to play with Ratio Rose. And I've got some scrap Whisper White here. So I want 3 of the butterflies. So what I'm going to do with the So Saffron is I'm going to do the base butterfly. 1, 2, 3. Swap the lid on that before I pop my hands in it. With the crushed curry, I'm going to grab the full butterfly, which is the layer that goes over the top, and I'm just going to pop him on there. And I'm sorry if my head gets in the way, I just want to be able to look over the top to make sure that his wings are lined up with him, like that. Cute, I know. I think this is a real cute set. This is definitely a Halsey set because I like things that are cute and corny. So I'm going to pop his little smiley face on there because, you know. Who doesn't want a little smiley butterfly? I know. It's just too cute. And it makes me giggle whenever I use it. I was using the sheep the other day. So I used the U and I did her in green. And I thought she looked like a broccoli. So then I kept laughing at that. It's just a laughable fun set. So I'm going to get 5 of the little flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then to make it even better, there's coordinating dies. Of course there is. So all of these coordinate with their own die so that you can cut them all out. I've pre-done them because I didn't want you to sit there while I was die cutting away. So there's my little butterfly. And there are my 5 flowers, and I don't know why, but I did 4 butterflies because obviously I can't count. So I'm just going to move all of that off, and I have a strip of Whisper White cardstock. So this is 4 inches by 1 inch, and I have my favourite little punch. This is the Pick a Tag, I think it's called, punch, but it is available on my store. And if you just type in tag in the finder box at the top, it will bring this up, and you've got the 6 different punches that you can fit in with this, because you can pop them all different sizes. This one's the one I've used, so I'm going to pop this in, and don't think that's in, you have to keep feeding this, so push it down and feed it. Okay, you can always check if you're in and if you're straight by flicking it upside down and making sure that it's aligned up there and that you are fully in. Okay, and I'm going to do the other end as well. So check it's in, check it's aligned, and punch. And that's how I've created my tag. I've got my sentiment, fluttering by to say hi, so I'm just going to pop that into my memento. And stamp that down. Just, isn't this adorable? I love it. So I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock here that is 9.5 centimetres by 13.85. A piece of crushed curry that is 10 centimetres by 14.25, so that when you line them up you've got a little bit of a border around there. So I'm just going to stick that down before I do anything else. Okay. And then I'm going to pop my sentiment down before I do anything else. I'm using the small dimensionals, and you'll see why in a minute. And I'm just going to flip it upside down, and I'm going to make sure that they are along the middle. I don't want them at all in the edge. So I'm going to pop 3. I always find the backing a little bit tougher to get off on the mini ones. So I'm going to pop that down, and wow, that's now cut, because it's took the edges off the 4 inches, so it took these off. It's actually the right size for the cardstock now. So now, I don't know if you can see, I've got this popped up on this side and this popped up on this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop on a couple of mini dimensionals. I'm going to take the backing and the top off, so it's sticky on both sides, and this is where I then get into trouble, because I spend more time sticking it to my nails than to the card. And I'm just going to pop it under just there, so it sticks to the tag and you can see it there. And I'm going to pop my little butterfly on there. Okay, another dimensional. Take the top off, take it off from the bottom. Now pop it under here again. Oh, it's pulled my butterfly off. It's okay. He'll stick back on. Let's put my butterfly back on. I'm going to want the flower on as well. So the flower's just going to go in there. And then the butterfly on there. Okay, you also want to have a mixture of your glue dots handy. So I'm going to stick this flower to a glue dot and then stick that underneath my butterfly. And you can, if you're worried about your butterfly coming off, which I really am worried about that because he wasn't sticking very well to my mini dimensional, you can pop a little glue dot underneath him just there. Oh, okay. I'm going to do exactly the same over on this corner. Now, I don't like just sticking my butterflies on with glue dots, otherwise they're not going to be sturdy. You do need to pop a little dimensional under them as well. So he's nice and sturdy. And then this one here with a glue dot, you're just basically playing with the dimensions. Okay, and then underneath here, these two are going to be stuck with a glue dot. So I'm going to start off with the flower because that's on the bottom layer. Pop that underneath. And then the butterfly. I'm going to pop the butterfly coming out. Like that. Just fluttering by to say hi. So cute. So I've got my card base. This is a piece of thick Whisper White cardstock that's cut in half and scored in half, and then I've folded and burnished it so it's already as a card for me. And I'm just going to stick the base on. And then some rhinestones. So I actually finished my pack of rhinestones and I'm having to start again. So I'm going to just turn my take a pick tool around so I can use my pointy bit, because that's, to me, is a lot easier with the rhinestones. And I'm popping a rhinestone in the middle of each flower, being very extravagant with my new pack of rhinestones. And that's my card. A bit of glitter, a bit of bling, some cute smiling butterflies. Who doesn't like cute smiling butterflies? I just love it. This is definitely a me set. I think it's really adorable. It's the Hippo Happiness, and like I said, it is part of the die bundle. And if you buy the stamp and the bundle together, you get 10% off. You can purchase any of these from slimandstylish.com. Just go to the header and click buy. Thanks for joining me today. If you've liked the video, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a little comment and subscribe for more videos. Speak to you soon. Bye.